and girls. Hello, hello, hello. And welcome to today's phonics lesson. Now, today, boys and girls, we're going to do something a little bit tricky. And we're going to do something called anagrams. Now, an anagram is when we've got the right letters, but the letters are all jumbled up, so the word doesn't make sense. Okay, let's have a little look behind me. We've got, oh look, we've got F. Now, do you know, this is my name, but somebody mixed up all of my letters. So we've got the right letters, but they're all jumbled up. So can you help me make my name into the right order, boys and girls? So, what's the first sound in my name? B. So look, there's the B, so I can use that. Just going to use small letters today, boys and girls, okay? So I've got a B. Now we've used that one, so I can cross it off. The E. Now we need the E sound. The E. The E is gone, and then the. Remember that sound? We need two letters to make that sound. And there we go, look, there they are. We've got the T and the H, or the T and the H, make the sound. So we sorted the letters out, boys and girls, and now they say my name. Be. Now, we're going to have a little look at some animals. And just like my name, we've got the right letters, but they're all mixed and jumbled up. Oh my goodness me. So, can we see what animal do we have here? Meow. That's right, it's a cat. Now let's have a look. We've got T, K, A. What's the first of these sounds we can hear in cat? That's right, we need the cat first, don't we? So we've got cat. I can cross that off. And cat. Ah! Very good. Cat. Ah. T. So I need the T. There we go. And then we've sorted our jumbled up letters, and we've got the word cat and cat. Now, a little bit tricky, I know. So let's have a little look to see what we've got next. What do I have here, boys and girls? Yeah, it's a fish. A fish. Oh, but somebody's jumbled it all up, boys and girls, and they've got shift. Oh my goodness me. So, we've got all the right letters, but they're mixed up again. So what's the first sound we can hear in fish? That's right, you got it. We need that first of all. So let me put that there. What's the next sound? A. Very good. A. Do you remember the sh sound, boys and girls? Which two letters do we need? Well, let's have a look here for the sh sound. We need the S and the H to make sh. So, A. And then I can cross that off and that off because we have the two letters but one sound. How are you doing, boys and girls? Are you okay? Let's have a little look to see what we've got next. Ooh, what animal do I have then, boys and girls? That's right, it's my rabbit. rabbit. Now this one's going to be quite tricky, look, because it's quite a long word. Remember, we've got the right letters, but they're all jumbled up. Oh no! Let's sound out the word first. It. So, what's that first sound we need? So which one makes the sound? There it is, look. For rabbit. So we've used this, we can cross him off. Good. Is the next sound we can get. Can we find There it is. Let me change my colour. What's the next sound? Good job! Remember yesterday, boys and girls, when we did double letters? Okay, we've got two letters the same, but they make one sound. Look, we've got not one but, we've got two but, double but. So, now I can, bye-bye, double but. Well done. Oh, let's mark that it off first, and then we've got that. So we've unjumbled those letters, look, and now we've got rabbit. So let's have a look. Oh, what do I have now? I've got a snail. Keshi, I wonder if you've got a snail at home. I'm sure you'll show us if you have. So let's sound the word out then. What's the first sound we can get in snail? If we have a look and find it, there's the sound. So I can put that there. And and then we can, there's the A. How do we write that A sound? Do you remember this one? Two letters, but one sound. A. And there we go. Look, we need the A and the I, and together they make A. So let's put that here then, and then I can cross those off, and now I've only got one sound left here. And what is it? That's right, it's and then we've got So well done, boys and girls. You've helped us unscramble the letters to make the word snail, and rabbit, and fish, and cat, and you help me unscramble the letters to make my name to Beth. Now, boys and girls, I've set you some work to do, okay? I know it's cheeky, but try your best, okay? So all you can do is try your best. Don't forget to send me a picture. Bye for now. Bye-bye.